are the miracles of physics. There is so much science in the creation of bubbles and making them last longer, getting them to be bigger, but we can also just enjoy them for the beauty of them and the making of them. And in our store, perfect for bubble parties or birthday parties, we've got these mini Bubblix. It's a German company, and look, this one's the Safari. So you get your bottle of your bubble mixture, you get your pot, and you get these 5 little animals. Whenever we want to make a bubble, we have to blow air through the bubble solution. The more air you put in, the more it stretches. Boom. These are small, so we're not going to get huge bubbles, and they have to be squeezed. So we're going to be developing dexterity, we're going to be getting concentration skills all being developed for them to be able to squeeze and produce bubbles. They're like little animal hiccups. So let's have a look and see what our snake does. We have to squeeze him in a different way. Aren't they lovely? We've got lots of activities involving bubbles in our store. You want 10% off? Bubbles 21 when you check out, and you're going to be able to get some amazing, amazing bubble activities for your kids. Or maybe for you. Thank you.